Okay, S690 PowerCast, advanced PowerCast tailboard. I did a YouTube video on it last year, so this is just an update. That one was on the other 690, so this is on the one with the lower hours. But Danny noticed, John Deere mechanic, that there was a little bit of play in one of the spinners. So I took them all off. And then these are the keyways, and I think on the other video I had showed how they had cut a new keyway. And you can see in that one, it's chipped away there. And then that keyway is getting pretty loose. And I don't know if you can, oh, there, you can see that ridge in it, or you could see it right there. So that's getting some slop. So the new keyway is a 49M7061. And yeah. New keyway. Now we put that in there, and you can still, like, you can't move it when it's pressed in tight, but you can, if you don't have pressure on it, you can move it side to side. So this will be, we'll run it again this year with the new keyways in it, and then we'll check them next year and see how bad they are. And then if we did have to take the motors off in the winter, this one's a little bit tighter on this side. Still a good catch on that side. Hopefully the keyway will buy us some time. And then if we have to take them off in the winter and send them out to get a new keyway cut in the back of them, I guess that's better than replacing the whole motor. So, okay, back to the tailboard here. We got the new keyways in. Holy moly. So helpful here. I put the keyway in the center here, and then the groove is here, so I just mark it so I know when I lift it up there that I should be shooting kinda for the center. To make these things light. Well, there you go, that one popped right in. Okay, and then the only other thing, take a little bit of paper tape. couple of these. What?
Are you recording?
Yeah. What, am I doing something wrong?
No.
Oh, then my painter's tape come off. Fine, you can come and help. Oh, this one come down too. Never mind. Let's take that.
So I was just taking, just kind of go like this and put it all the way over.
Oh.
Because before you let these down, you can just pull the tape out.
Okay.
And then I take this bearing off. Because that's just one more struggle to try and get that on.
Okay. Okay.
Keep that off there.
Genius. Okay, Danny says take that bearing off, so that's what we're gonna do. And it won't be like. There you go. The middle one. Yeah. That was there. Oh boy. That's my head. I'm gonna have to do the bottom one first. The bottom here? No, over here. Why, hello.
Hey!
I was gonna say, it looks like
I'm gonna hold something.
Pardon?
I'm gonna hold something.
Okay, that was a bit of a fight. The part of that there was hanging up on the back of this, and then we had to put a pry bar in there and force it, and then we were able to pop it in. So yeah, bit of a pain. Then I'll just pop that tape off, and then it's just a matter of putting the bolts in. And then when you slide it up too, make sure, because that's like a step shaft up in there, that it's not bound up in there. It's got to be right in the center. And other than that, okay, I won't bore you with the bolting up. Take care.